Are you tired of fluctuating temperatures, soaring energy bills, the never-ending hustle and cost of maintaining radiator thermostats, especially when you have many rooms or thermostats located in hard-to-reach places? Well, you're definitely not alone. I think all of us have been there at some point, and that's exactly why we developed the WT102, an upgraded TRV solution that's smarter and completely maintenance-free. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. This is Rinfei from Milesight. Today, I will show you our answer to the rising energy bills and those endless maintenance costs that just keep adding up. First, let me show you how simple it is to install the WT102 with less maintenance costs. For most common valves with the standard M30 by 1.5, all you have to do is attach it to your radiator. Literally takes just a few seconds. And to make sure it works with virtually any setup, we also provide various metal adapters as optional accessories so you can get a perfect fit no matter what type of valve you have. Instead of using batteries, the WT102 actually harvests its own energy from the temperature difference between the hot water flowing through your radiator and the surrounding air. That means zero maintenance. No batteries to buy, no batteries to change, ever. With built-in intelligence, it adapts to your daily habits and automatically adapts to keep your space comfortable, while at the same time minimizing energy consumption. So you're not just saving effort, you're saving money too. We also designed it with a durable metal body. As you can see, this means that the WT102 can resist impacts and handle rough treatments, making it ideal for high-traffic environments like schools, shopping malls, hotels, and other commercial spaces where devices take a beating. And to show you just how tough it really is, let us demonstrate how we put it through some serious punishment. First, we do impact tests. Swinging ball, falling ball, and the WT102 handles over 20 joules of impact with no problem. Then there's the strain relief test. We pulled and twisted, and it passed with flying colors, withstanding more than 88 kilograms of force. And if that's not enough, we even had a big strong guy stand on it while holding an extra 20 kilograms, so the total load was over 110 kilograms. And guess what? The WT102 didn't flinch. Still working, still solid. So believe me, when we say it's built tough, we mean it. Now, let me give you a closer look at what's going on inside. Temporarily power it via USB. Look, the motor automatically calibrates itself. That's the precision behind every WT102. And up on top, the HD LED display is there to give you control right at your fingertips. WT102 supports both local and remote control with high precision temperature settings. Thanks to LoRaWAN Class B communication, any command you send from your IoT platform is executed quickly and reliably. That means you can adjust settings, monitor real-time temperatures, and create custom schedules all remotely from wherever you are. It also pairs seamlessly with the WT401, the wireless smart thermostats. Once connected, you can wirelessly control multiple devices within the same space, giving you true multi-room comfort and centralized control without complicated wiring. WT102 also allows for local scheduling with the capability to create up to 16 heating plans within one preset data period. Once configured, users won't need any additional control. It also features intelligent window detection in an open window condition, which means when it senses a rapid drop in temperature, the valve automatically prevents itself from fully opening. That way, you're not wasting energy heating the outdoors. Additionally, when indoor temperature approach approximately 3 Celsius degrees, the valve will automatically open to maintain the ambient temperature above 3 Celsius degrees. This prevents issues like pipe bursting and damage to indoor assets. So that's the Milesight WT102 small radiator thermostat. Maintenance-free, long-lasting, and engineered to significantly reduce energy consumption. It's available now, and we'd love to help you learn more. If you enjoyed this video, making sure to subscribe to us on YouTube and turn on notifications. Contact us today. Let's have a real conversation about making the WT102 work for you. See you next time. Bye-bye.